Most people panic when they see 350,000 kilometers on any car. And if you tell them it's a luxury sedan that's had three different owners, they'll say, "No way, that thing has to be worn out." But this 2012 Lexus ES doesn't fit the usual story. Even after 15 years on the road, three sets of keys, and 350,000 kilometers of real world use, it still feels shockingly close to a new car. Today we're going to find out how that's possible, what makes this generation of Lexus ES so special, and what you need to know if you're thinking about buying one of these high mileage sedans for yourself. First, look at a 350,000 kilometer Lexus ES, 1 to 3. From the outside, this 2012 Lexus ES doesn't scream 350,000 kilometers. The paint still has a deep, even shine. The body lines are clean, with no major dents or misaligned panels. The doors still close with that solid, confident thunk that cheaper cars just never quite manage. There are little hints of age if you look closely. A stone chip here, a light scratch there, maybe a bit of wear around the door handles. But nothing about it says this car is at the end of its life. If you covered the odometer, most people would guess 150,000, maybe 200,000 kilometers at most. Instead, when you turn the key and see 350,000 kilometers, your brain expects the worst. Loose steering, noisy suspension, rattly cabin, and a tired engine. Yet when this ES rolls out onto the street, it doesn't feel tired. It feels mature, comfortable, and composed, like a car that was built to age slowly. So, what's going on here? Let's talk about what this car is and why it was designed to last this way. What the 2012 Lexus ES was built to be. The 2012 Lexus ES was never designed to be a track monster or a Nürburgring lap record hero. It had a different mission: to be one of the smoothest, quietest, most comfortable mid-size sedans you could buy. Under the hood, you find a naturally aspirated V6 engine paired with a conventional automatic transmission. No tiny turbo trying to do the work of a bigger motor. No complicated dual clutch experiment, just proven hardware that Lexus engineers already knew how to make reliable. The suspension tuning is soft and relaxed. The steering isn't sporty, but it's calm and predictable. The cabin is focused on noise isolation and comfort, with thick glass, plenty of sound deadening, and high-quality materials. This car was targeted at people who wanted a quiet commute, a comfortable long-distance cruiser, and a machine they wouldn't have to think about. And that mindset, comfort over drama, reliability over flash, is a big reason why 15 years later, a 2012 ES with 350,000 kilometers can still feel surprisingly fresh. But that's only part of the story. The other part is how it survived three different owners. Three owners, one very long life. A lot of people get nervous when they hear a car has had three owners. They imagine careless drivers, missed maintenance, and a list of problems waiting under the surface. But with a car like the Lexus ES, multiple owners doesn't automatically mean disaster. Think about who usually buys these sedans new. Often it's professionals or older drivers who want something quiet, comfortable, and discreet. They're not doing burnouts in parking lots. They're not bouncing off the rev limiter at every traffic light. The first owner might have leased it or bought it new for business and long highway trips. They follow the dealer maintenance schedule because the car is under warranty and still fairly expensive. The second owner might be someone who picks it up at 150,000 or 180,000 kilometers, happy to own a used Lexus that still feels nicer inside than many new cars at the same price. By the time the third owner comes along, the car has some age, but the core mechanical pieces, engine, transmission, structure, are still strong if the previous owners weren't careless. What really matters isn't how many names have been on the registration. It's how each owner treated the car. For this ES to reach 350,000 kilometers and still feel nearly new, you can safely bet on a few things. Oil changes done on time, proper fluids used, no long-term overheating, and problems fixed before they cause damage. That's how a car survives 3 owners and still drives like it has half the mileage. How it actually drives at 350,000 kilometers. So, what does a 2012 Lexus ES with 350,000 kilometers and 3 previous owners actually feel like on the road? You might expect a loose, vague steering feel and a body that clunks and groans over every bump. Instead, when this ES glides down the road, it still has that classic Lexus calmness. The steering is light but steady. It doesn't wander all over the lane. On the highway, you don't fight the wheel. You simply guide it. The suspension still focuses on comfort. It gently absorbs imperfections in the road instead of sending sharp impacts into the cabin. Yes, after this much mileage, some components have likely been replaced. Shocks, struts, bushings, but that's expected maintenance for any car that's been driven this far. Inside, what stands out is the quiet. Even at this age and mileage, the ES doesn't sound like a tired old sedan. There's some road noise, sure, but there's no constant symphony of rattles. The doors still seal nicely. The dashboard doesn't buzz and flex with every little vibration. The V6 engine still starts cleanly, idles smoothly, and pulls with a relaxed, confident character. You can feel that it's not brand new. There may be a touch more vibration at higher revs, but in normal driving, it behaves more like a car with 150,000 kilometers than one with more than double that. This is what surprises people most. They're expecting the car to feel old the moment it moves. Instead, they think, wait, this feels way better than I expected. Are you sure it has 350,000 kilometers? That feeling, that disconnect between the number on the dash and the experience behind the wheel, is a big reason why so many drivers fall in love with used Lexus ES models. The interior, where you really feel the quality. When it comes to how new a car feels, the interior is everything. You can forgive a higher mileage if the place you sit in every day still feels solid and comfortable. In this 2012 Lexus ES, time has left some marks, but nothing dramatic. The driver's seat might show some creasing and softening in the leather. The steering wheel may be a bit smoother where hands have rested for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. There could be a small wear spot on the armrest or shifter, but overall, the cabin still feels well built. The dashboard doesn't look like it's melting. The buttons still click positively. The climate controls work as they should, and the headliner isn't falling down on your head. The soft touch materials haven't turned into sticky, shiny plastic. The trim pieces still sit where they're supposed to, and the seat cushions are still supportive enough for long drives. These details matter a lot for how your brain interprets the car. Most drivers don't look at the odometer every time they get in. They judge the car by how it smells, how it feels to touch, how much it creaks, and how relaxed they feel after a drive. If a 2012 ES can reach 350,000 kilometers and still offer a quiet, solid, comfortable cabin, you naturally start to think, if the inside held up this well, maybe the rest of the car did too. That's the hidden power of good materials and design. They keep the car feeling new enough, long after the mileage suggests it should be done. Underneath the story, what mechanics notice. Take this 2012 Lexus ES to a trusted independent mechanic, and their reaction is often very telling. They might say things like, for 350,000 kilometers, this looks really good. Suspension parts are worn, but that's expected. No major leaks, just minor seepage. What they often don't see is a failing transmission, a disaster under the valve covers, or a rusted out underbody ready to split in half. The V6 engine in this ES is known for being durable as long as it's not abused. With regular oil changes and proper cooling system care, it can keep running smoothly for far longer than most people keep a car. The automatic transmission, if serviced at reasonable intervals, usually doesn't do anything dramatic. No sudden death, no crazy jerks. Just gradual wear that you can feel long before it becomes unusable. Of course, by 350,000 kilometers, this car has likely seen new brakes several times, at least one full set of suspension components, some exhaust work, and possibly a few sensors or minor electronics. But those are normal running costs for any vehicle, not signs of a terminal illness. From a mechanic's perspective, a high mileage ES like this can absolutely still make sense if the structure is solid and the maintenance history checks out. Should you consider a 2012 Lexus ES with high mileage? So here's the big question. Should you consider buying a 2012 Lexus ES with big numbers on the odometer and multiple previous owners? The answer depends less on the mileage and more on how smart you are with the purchase. Here's what really matters. 1. Maintenance records. Has the car been serviced regularly? Are there receipts, stamps, or digital records to prove it? Look for consistent oil changes and cooling system care. 2. How it drives. Today, does the engine start cleanly with no odd noises? Does the transmission shift smoothly, or does it slip, hesitate, or bang into gear? On a test drive, listen carefully for suspension knocks and pay attention to how straight it tracks on the highway. 3. Rust and structure check. Underneath for rust on the frame, suspension mounting points, and brake lines. Surface rust is one thing. Deep structural rust is a totally different story. 4. Interior condition. Does the cabin feel like it matches the mileage? A car that looks like it's been cared for inside is more likely to have been cared for mechanically too. 5. Your expectations. If you want something that feels brand new, this isn't it. But if you want a comfortable, quiet, well-built sedan that can still do daily duty for a reasonable price, a high-mileage ES might be exactly right. The 2012 Lexus ES proves something important. Mileage is just a number without context. With the right engineering, the right owners, and the right maintenance, a car can reach 350,000 kilometers and beyond, and still feel much closer to new than most people would ever believe. So, next time you see a used Lexus ES from this generation with 3 owners and a big odometer reading, don't just walk away. Ask the right questions, take a proper test drive, and you might discover that this calm, quiet sedan is one of the smartest used car buys you can make. Because sometimes a 2012 Lexus ES with 350,000 kilometers still feels like a new car where it counts the most.